Creative, hope is a skill. Yes, you can naturally have hope about some things sometimes, but if you rely on hope that just springs naturally, it's not going to be there when you need it. Creative, hope is a choice, something that you work on and hone, something that you practice in the easier times so that it's there for you in the hard ones. Hope is a pattern of thinking. Hope is training yourself to believe a thing that maybe you can't see it yet, but you have reason to believe that it will happen eventually someday. Creative, hope is power. As long as you believe that you can accomplish the thing, you're going to try to do it. Even if you don't yet know how, even if you're still making mistakes, even if you have a long way to go, as long as you believe it's possible, you will make the steps to learn, to grow, and to head toward that goal. Without the hope that your dream can come true and that your artistic thing can become a reality, why would you go through the trouble of trying to learn a new skill and working past errors and the humiliation of creating bad stuff? Because, yeah, part of the process of learning is making bad stuff. That's just what happens. That's what we do. You make bad stuff, you learn, you keep going. But without hope, you're not going to do that. Creative, hope is something you can learn and grow and work on. It's not a feeling, it's a mindset. Feelings come and go. I mean, you're going to have really bad feelings some days that'll tell you to stop creating. Don't listen to that. Instead, listen to the choice to hope. And on those days when it's easier to believe that you can do this, that you can make it happen, you need to feed it. You need to practice it. You need to develop the mental pattern of believing, yes, I can do this, and hold on to that as hard as you can when it gets rough. I promise you're going to be glad that you did. Now sit down with me, my hopeful creatives, and let's make something new.